Important: this video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Do your own research or consult a professional before making financial decisions. The views expressed are those of the creator alone. Is your home's layout silently sabotaging your wealth? Experts claim that one small corner in your living space might be the key to unlocking fortunes you've only dreamed of. Skeptics dismiss it. But could this ancient secret be the missing link to your financial success? Welcome to Mystica Finance, where we bridge the gap between the mystical and the financial. Today, we dive into the transformative world of Feng Shui, focusing on the wealth corner of your home. After exploring the depths of Feng Shui and its impact on wealth, we'll embark on a transformative journey together. Stay tuned as we introduce the Wealth Corner Challenge later in this video. We'll guide you through a practical exercise to activate the wealth corner of your home, enhancing your prosperity. Whether you're a seasoned Feng Shui enthusiast or just starting out, this challenge is designed to deepen your understanding and bring tangible changes to your financial energy. Don't miss this opportunity to transform your space and potentially your financial destiny. Before we unravel this mystery, remember to like this video, subscribe to Mystica Finance, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on the secrets to transforming your financial destiny. In the practice of Feng Shui, every space holds energy that can significantly impact our lives, especially our financial well-being. Among these spaces, the wealth corner is pivotal. Located in the southeast area of your home or office, properly activating this zone is believed to attract increased abundance and prosperity. Join us as we uncover how to harness the power of this influential corner, transforming it into a magnet for wealth and success. In the realm of Feng Shui, the wealth corner, or the southeast corner of your space, is more than just a part of your home. It's the key to unlocking the energy of abundance and prosperity. This special area is believed to directly influence your cash flow, savings, and overall financial fortune. By activating and enhancing this corner, you're inviting the universe's wealth energy into your life. But why the southeast corner? According to traditional Feng Shui principles, this direction is associated with the element of wood, symbolizing growth and renewal, qualities essential for wealth accumulation and stability. It's a practice steeped in the wisdom of balancing and harmonizing energy to create favorable outcomes in our lives. This concept isn't exclusive to any one culture. Throughout history, from ancient civilizations to modern societies, people have recognized and utilized specific areas within their living and working spaces to attract wealth. Whether through the strategic placement of symbols, colors, or elements, these practices underline a universal desire for prosperity and the belief in the environment's power to influence it. By understanding and tapping into the rich historical and cultural significance of the wealth corner, we connect with a tradition that spans continents and millennia, harnessing the collective knowledge of generations who've sought to enhance their prosperity through mindful attention to their surroundings. Activating your wealth corner is a journey of intention and mindfulness. First, identify the southeast corner of your home or office. This is your starting point, your canvas for creating an environment that vibrates with prosperity. Begin with decluttering. A cluttered space blocks the flow of qi, the life force that carries wealth energy. Clearing out old, unused items opens the path for new opportunities and wealth to find you. Next, introduce elements that symbolize wealth and growth. Plants, especially those with round leaves, are perfect for this corner, embodying growth and renewal. Consider adding a water feature, like a small fountain, to represent wealth flowing into your life. Crystals like citrine, known for attracting abundance, can also enhance the energy of this space. Moreover, incorporate symbols of wealth that resonate with you personally. Gold coins, wealth vases, or even images of places you aspire to visit or own. However, avoid common pitfalls. Too much water can dampen fire. The element of fame and recognition, so balance is key. Similarly, ensure the area is well lit and vibrant, avoiding any stagnant or dark spots that could hinder the prosperity energy. Now, we turn to you. Have you ever paid attention to the southeast corner of your home? What do you currently have in your wealth corner? Share your setup or plans to activate this potent space in the comments below. If the idea of transforming your space to attract abundance excites you, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more insightful tips on enhancing your wealth through Feng Shui, and ring the notification bell to ensure you never miss out on unlocking prosperity. Your journey to abundance starts with a single step, and we're here to guide you through each one. Now we invite you to join us in a transformative journey with the Wealth Corner Challenge. This is your opportunity to put theory into practice and witness the power of Feng Shui firsthand. Here's what to do. Take a good look at your wealth corner, the southeast corner of your space. Start by decluttering, removing anything that doesn't serve a positive purpose or bring joy. Then, thoughtfully add elements that symbolize prosperity to you. This could be vibrant plants, flowing water features, wealth crystals like citrine, or symbols of abundance that resonate with your aspirations. But before you start rearranging, we're curious. Which of the tips shared today are you eager to implement? Is it the addition of a new plant, setting up a small fountain, or perhaps placing specific wealth symbols? And on a broader note, do you believe in the power of Feng Shui to influence financial prosperity? Your experiences and beliefs add valuable perspectives to our community's understanding of wealth and energy. Engage with us in the comments below. Share your excitement, skepticism, questions, and of course, your wealth corner transformations. If you're ready to dive into the world of Feng Shui and unlock the doors to abundance, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Mystica Finance, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an opportunity to enhance your prosperity. As we wrap up today's exploration into the Feng Shui Wealth Corner, we've uncovered the significant role it plays in fostering financial prosperity. Remember, activating your wealth corner isn't just about placement. It's a harmonious blend of intention, symbolism, and energy alignment. By decluttering, introducing elements of growth and abundance, and maintaining this sacred space, you can open your home and life to the energy of wealth. But the journey doesn't end here. Share your wealth corner transformations with us, and let's walk together on this path to financial enlightenment. Each step you take is a move toward unlocking the full potential of your prosperity, and there's more to look forward to. In our next episode, we delve into how Feng Shui can transform your workspace, enhancing not just your financial well-being, but your career success as well. It's fascinating how much our surroundings influence our professional paths, and we're eager to explore these connections with you. Thank you sincerely for joining us today. At Mystica Finance, we believe wealth transcends money. It's fundamentally about energy. Until we meet again, continue to channel prosperity into every aspect of your life.